So this is the first day of the roasting camp. We just arrived a few minutes ago. It's a nice building outside. It's winter, but it doesn't really feel like winter. It's like 25 degrees. You can see over there they are the roasting fan for the roasting machine. Come on, I'll show you. This is the center, the quality center of coffee. And this is the name of the people. All right. Hello. So that's the office. All right. Roaster camp of Brazil. Nice. And we have different rooms. Sala for roasting sample machines, quite nice. Probatino and Pinolens, I guess it's a roasting machine as well. Nice. Then we have another room. Showing around. All right.
Eu já saio umas 20 vezes.
Just as a
20 times per video.
Okay, I remember. We will prepare, I guess, some filter coffee, yeah, and two machines, Astoria and Lamaldocco. All right, nice. And here we have another space for cupping, and we have all the champions wall, I would say. That's me, Jack, second place, third place from Germany, Benjamin, fourth place, Henrik, Iraku from Japan, Wei Wei from China, Annie Cooper, that is the lady from Australia that is giving some speeches. Muki Wang, it's an exporter and importer in Australia, and that is also giving some speech about sample roasting consistency. And Luis Saldana, it's one of the organizers of the roasting camp. Nice. Then another room, which is the room for the comforts. There we go. Wall again. Sweden champion. I'm recording as I remember, you know. And that's the conference room. Edgar Bressani, one of the main organizers from Capricornia Coffee, business partner of Edgar. And we have Probat as a third machine with the Probatone 5 kilograms. And we are doing some tests. Yeah.